This assessment asks us to analyze a molecule and determine whether we would expect it to be a nucleophile or an electrophile in organic reactions. Some can be both. Let's look at this molecule, which in fact is called acetone. Now, if we draw in the lone pairs on acetone, what we notice is that oxygen has 2 lone pairs. It's electron rich. And so one way of thinking then, if the oxygen is electron rich, it could be a nucleophile at oxygen, which means we could donate that pair of electrons to an electrophile. The other thing we can do for a molecule is draw another resonance structure. And if we do that, we notice that we can represent this molecule as having a negative charge on oxygen and a positive charge on carbon. As a result of that, this carbon is electron deficient and therefore could be an electrophile, which would mean nucleophiles could react with this molecule at carbon. So within this molecule of acetone, it is nucleophilic at oxygen, but electrophilic at carbon.